morning to all. In last class, we have been discussed the theory part of budgetary control. Then we have been discussed the three parts of the budgetary control. What is a budget? What is a budgeting? And what is a budgetary control? In examination, you will get one question out of these three definitions. Then we have been discussed the three different kinds of parts of the budgets. But main part of the budget is flexible budget and cash budget. Either it may be the flexible budget or cash budget. These two budgets are very important. Then we have been discussed the theory part in the last class, and some of the formats we have been discussed. As per the format, we have been discussed the flexible budget format. There are three kinds of the things are there. Fixed expenditure, semi-variable expenditure and variable expenditure. Fixed expenditure remain constant irrespective of level of output. Then semi-variable expenditure, some part fixed and some part variable, some part not changing and some part changing nature. Variable expenditure, it is a total changing nature. Variable expenditure, one thing remain constant, that is change. Then let us, we have to discuss one by one problems. Then first come to the page number 394 in costing book, page number 394. Let us discuss with the first flexible budget problem. Exercise 5, page number 394. Then first I will read out the problem. A department of a company XYZ attains sales of rupees 6 lakh at 80% of its normal capacity, and its expenses are given below. Then the given capacity is 80% capacity. That is for 6 lakh rupees sale, 80% capacity. Then office salaries they have been given 90,000. General expenditure they have been given 2% of sales. Then sales is rupees 6 lakh. For 80% of sales, 2%. Depreciation, that also fixed nature. Office salary fixed nature. General expenditure fixed nature. Then depreciation fixed nature. Rent and taxes fixed nature. In selling expenditure, selling cost heading they have been given. Salaries, out of that means sales department salaries, that also fixed nature. Traveling expenditure, this is variable nature. Then if the sales increases, traveling expenditure also increases, that is variable nature. Then sales office expenditure, if there is a sale, then office expenditure will come, that also variable nature. Then general expenditure fixed nature. Wages and salaries, irrespective of level of output, they need to pay, compulsory, fixed nature. Rent also fixed, other expenditure also fixed. Then at last they have been given drop a flexible budget to ascertain total cost at 90% and 100% capacity. You need to ascertain 90% and 100% capacity, but they have been given 80% capacity information. Then this is for 15 marks. Now first make it as one statement, that is a statement called flexible budget. Out of that make the three columns. Particular is different. 80% given column is compulsory. Then 90% you need to calculate compulsory. 100% compulsory. 90 and 100 you should have to calculate. But 80 they have been given. Given also make the column. 90% also a column. 100% also a column. First we have to start with one by one. Then this is flexible budget. Then this is for 100%, 90% and 80%. Particulars, 80% capacity, 90% capacity and 100% capacity. 80% given, 90 and 100% you need to calculate. First in that first fixed expenditure, make it as a Roman 1, as we have been discussed in the format. Roman 1 fixed expenses. Roman 1 fixed expenses. In that fixed expenditure, the given fixed expenditure irrespective of level of capacity, it is common for all. Then office salaries 90,000 rupees they have been given. 90,000 for 80 percentage capacity. For 90 also, for 80 percentage also same, for 90 also same, for 100 percentage also same. Even if it is a production zero, the fixed expenditure remain constant. First, office salaries. Office salaries, then amount is 90,000. In 90 percentage also 90,000. In 100 percentage also 90,000. First, common expenditure 90,000. Next, what those people are telling, general expenditure. General expenditure 2 percentage of sales. 2 percentage of sales, in first line they have been given 6 lakh rupees is a sale. 2 percentage of 6 lakh, 12,000 rupees. Then general expenditure, second point, general expenses. General expenditure 2 percentage of sales. Sales is 6 lakh rupees. 2 percentage of sales is 12,000. 12,000. Here also 12. Last also 12,000. Irrespective of level of output, the fixed expenditure remain constant. Next, depreciation. This also fixed. 7,500 rupees depreciation have been given. Then depreciation. Depreciation 7,500 rupees. 7,500. 7,500. Last also 7,500. Next, rent and taxes they have been given. That also fixed. Rent and taxes. Rent and taxes. Rent and taxes amount, total amount is 8,750. 8,750. 8,750. Last also 8,750. Next, come to the next part, selling cost heading. Selling cost, selling department salaries, 8 percentage of sales. That also you should have to take salaries in bracket sales. Salaries in bracket sales means sales department salaries. Then 8 percentage they have been given. 8 percentage means 6 lakh rupees. 8 percentage of sales. 6 lakh rupees is a sale. 8 percentage of 6 lakh. 48,000. 48,000. Here second also 48,000. Last column also same 48,000. Total 48,000 rupees. Next, traveling expenditure, that what we have been discussed, variable nature, last column. Then sales office expenditure, variable nature. General expenditures of sales department. Here general expenditure in bracket sales. General expenses in bracket sales. Then general expenditure, sales department general expenditure. What they have been given, 1 percentage of sales. 1 percentage of sales means sales is 6 lakh. 6,000 rupees. 6,000. Here also 6,000. Last also 6,000. General expenditure we have been taken. Next, wages and salaries of distribution department. Then wages and salary, that also fixed 15,000 rupees. Wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. Then in bracket distribution means distribution department. Distribution department wages and salaries 15,000. And here 15,000. 15,000. Last also 15,000. Next, rent they have been given 1 percentage of sales. Sales is rupees 6 lakh. 1 percentage of 6 lakh, 6,000. Rent. Rent in bracket distribution. Distribution department rent. 1 percentage of sales 6,000. 6,000. 6,000. Last also 6,000. Next, last part, other expenditure. Other expenditure 4 percentage they have been given. 1 percentage 6,000. Then 4 percentage of 6 lakh rupees 24,000. Other expenses. Other expenses 24,000 here also 24,000, last also 24,000. Next, make the total of all the columns, same total will get. Then this is total A, total make it as A. Then 2,17,250, 2,17,250, 2,17,250, 2,17,250. Here what we are discussing, this is exercise 5, exercise 5 and page 394. Then we have been got the total of first total a fixed expenditure total, that comes to rupees 2,17,250. Next come to second part, then second heading, semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses. I think nothing they have been given in the problem which are related to selling variable semi-variable expenditure. Nothing they have been given. Only two things are left: traveling expenditure and sales office expenditure. Those things are related to variable nature. Semi-variable expenses nil. Even though it is nil, you should have to make the total. Then make it as a nil. Then this is total. Total B. Then that is nil. Total B is nil. Next total then heading 3, third heading, variable expenses. Variable expenses, third heading. Then in variable expenditure, one thing remains constant, that is change. Then you have to take first item, traveling expenses. Traveling expenditure. Then the given traveling expenditure is for 80% capacity. The given traveling expenditure is for 80% capacity. For 80%, it is changing nature. If it is 80% capacity, expenditure will change. If it is 90% capacity, expenditure will change. If it is for 100% capacity, expenditure will change. Even the expenditure, if the capacity is 0, expenditure also will become 0. Because the variable nature, one thing remains constant, that is change. First take down 2% of sales. 2% sales is 6 lakh rupees. 2% of 6 lakh. 2% of 6 lakh, 12,000 rupees. Then here 12,000. Then 6 lakh into, in bracket 6 lakh into 2%, 12,000 rupees. That given percentage, 2% on sales is for 80% capacity. Then for 90 and for 100% it will vary. Then next, second, sales office expenses. Sales office expenses, that is for 1%. Sales office expenditure 1%. 1% means 6,000 rupees. In here 6 lakh into, in bracket 6 lakh into 1%, 6,000. Then you need to go to the working note number 1 below this page. You need to calculate the variable expenditure, how it have been vary from different percentage to different percentage. Then assume to be this is working note number 1. Working note number 1. Then calculation of variable expenses. Calculation of variable expenses. Then in variable expenditure, again in working note also make 3 things: 80% of capacity, 90% of capacity, and 100% of capacity. Then refer the note. Every part of the notes is a form part of answer in the examination. You will get marks for notes also. Then here 2 expenditures are there. Traveling expenses first. Traveling expenditure. Then traveling expenditure 12,000 rupees. Then 2%, 12,000 rupees. Here you should have to make the estimation. For 90% also make the estimation. For 100% also make the estimation. Then here 12,000. 12,000 is for 80 percentage. 12,000 into 80 percentage. 80 percentage is a base. Then you should have to calculate for 90 into 90 divided by base is 80. Here also 12,000 into what we want 100 percentage divided by the given is 80 percentage. Then 12,000 into 90 divided by 80 percentage, it will come 13,500. Then here 13,500. Then 12,000 into 100 divided by 80, this will come 15,000. Then one thing is over. Next, sales office expenses. Second one is sales office expenses. In sales office expenditure, they have been given 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees sales office expenses, 6,000. Then this is for 80 percentage capacity. Calculate for 90 and 100 percentage. Here 6,000 rupees into 90 what we want divided by base is 80 percentage. Then here also same 6,000 into 100 divided by 80 percentage. Then 6,000 into 90 divided by 80 percentage. It will come rupees 6,750. Then 100 percentage. 6,000 into 100 divided by 80. This is 7,500. Only one working note. Then 12,000 and 6,000 we have been taken. Then traveling expenditure for 90 percentage 13,500. 13,500. For 100 percentage it is 15,000. What we have been now calculated. Then sales expenditure 6,000 rupees they have been given for 80 percentage capacity. For 90 percentage capacity what we have been calculated 6,750. Then for 100 percentage it is 7,500. Then make the total of part 3 of the problem. Then this is total C. Total C. Then total C is, this is first one is 18,000. Last total C. First one is 18,000. Next 20,250. 20,250. One more last one is 22,500. 22,500 rupees. Then we have been got first total, then second total. Even though nil, we have been got the second total also. Then C, total C also we have been got. Then total of these three is considered to be total cost. Then here total cost. Total cost in bracket A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is total cost. Then 2,17,250 plus B total plus last 18,000 rupees total. This comes 2,35,250. 2,35,250. Then first total. Second, then total of 90 percentage column. 2,17,250. Then 20,250. 2,37,500. 2,37,500. Last one is 2,17,250 plus 22,500. Then it comes to rupees 2,39,750. 2,39,750. Then after getting with the total cost, if sales have been given, sales for ascertainment of 90 percentage and 100 percentage, they have been asked for ascertain the total cost. If it is sales have been given, then deduct the sales or deduct the total cost from the sale. If sale is more than the cost, then you will get the resultant factor is profit. If the sales is lower than the cost is more than the sales, then you will get the loss of the same business. This is about the last problem what we have been discussed. Then for 15 marks you need to calculate this much only one working note. Need not to drop different working notes. First clearly write down the flexible budget. Then this is base column is required. 90 percentage and 100 percentage is compulsory. Then for each and every total make the name. We have been given A, then B, then total C. Then total of these three. Total of all the three is considered to be A plus B plus C, that is total cost. This is about the exercise 5, page number 394. Then now we are going to next problem. Come to the page number 392. Page number 392, exercise 2. Page number 392, exercise 2. We will discuss this problem in the next class.